For close round 14, we make a slip stitch, top of first double crochet, round 15, 3 chain, count as first double crochet, 2 double crochet into same place, a chain, 3 front post double crochet around each of these front post double crochet, a single crochet into one chain space, 3 front post double crochet top of every front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, 3 double crochet here, 1, 2, and 3, 1 chain. We continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here. For close round 15, the last chain 1, and make a slip stitch into first double crochet, top of this 3 chain. Round 15 is finished now. Round 16, 4 chain, count as first double crochet and chain 1. Now 3 double crochet plus chain 1 into next double crochet, one double crochet, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1, a double crochet into next, chain 1, a front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, now we want to decrease around to this front post double crochet, so we want to make front post double crochet cluster, 1, 2, and a cluster, another cluster into 2 next, 1 and 2 front post double crochet cluster, a double crochet around next front post double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet top of first double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet top of second one, 1, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1, and another double crochet into next. We continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here.